Hello and welcome back, my dear students, parents, and teachers. Englicorn and I are thrilled to embark on another adventure with you. Learning through play is our mantra, and today's treasure hunt game is sure to make mastering English an exciting journey. Remember, each game we play isn't just a pastime, but a tool to help children grasp and retain new words in an interactive and enjoyable way. Every click, every word, every discovery makes a difference. Are you ready to play treasure hunt? Here is how it goes. Launch the PowerPoint presentation. Click on Slideshow in the top menu. Start from the beginning with Play from Start. You'll be presented with two levels, Beginner and Advanced. The beginner level has 4 hiding spots for the treasure, while the advanced one ups the challenge with 6 spots. To find the treasure, choose a space and click on it. Remember to vocalize the target phrase like, "This is a red book," before you unveil what's behind it. If you get caught up in the excitement and forget, don't worry. Once you reveal the image, it will guide you by repeating the phrase, so you can echo it. The adventure doesn't end with finding one treasure. There is always more to discover. You can replay the game or progress to the next level. The journey of learning never truly ends, and every moment spent playing is a step forward in our learning adventure. Stay curious, my friends, and see you next time!